Today I'm going to show you how to create real-time lighting with a real-time zone in Roblox Studio. So first of all, open a new base plate and insert a script into server script service. You can name the script lighting. And first we're going to start off with some variables. So first we're going to do local time zone. And then I think it's UTC. So it's UTC -4 or -6. Local time zone difference equals to, now we're gonna do some math. So you equals to 5 times 360, 36,000 plus time zone times 3,600, yeah. And from local seconds in day. Make that more clear. Equals to 60. So where's my times? Forgot where my times was. Yeah. No. 60 times 60 times 24. Then we get an amount of seconds per day. Then we're gonna do a while true do loop. Alright, so this will run all the time. And then we're gonna do game, we'll get service, lighting, colon, set minutes after midnight, math.fmod. And then we're going to tick 2 brackets plus time zone difference, comma, seconds in a day, and then divided by 60. So let's look how the lighting looks. We're just gonna test this and see which time zone we ended up in. I will leave a time zone guide in the description below. Oh yeah, we forgot to add a line, so that's why it broke. You need to add wait 0.1, or you can do wait 0.1. Let's try this again. And as we can see, the time is 16:38. And to get a UK time, we need to do -6. And then we'll get the BST time, which is 14:38 currently. At the moment, we'll see the lighting is the same. If we do another time zone, we can do -2. We can see that the time zone automatically adapts to the time zone. For example, here, it's currently 18:39 in that country. Then it will be dark outside. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!